Car has not been started. About a day and a half. So we're gonna fire it up right here to show you guys how it runs. Then we're gonna go take some pictures of it. Should start with a shit that time actually. But as you can hear, she runs really, really good. It's also 9 degrees outside, so brand new tires. Let's go take it out and get some pictures of it. Aftermarket radio works. Missing the Chevy holder. It's got traction control. I'm not sure if it works. You hit the button on traction control, no lights change on the dash. All the power windows do work. They're frozen up a little bit though. There's the top. I mean, the top, you know, the top's in decent shape besides where the back window goes into it. So I don't know if you could. It's got a glass back window. But the tops are cheap. They're about 160 bucks for the tops. Turn signals work and everything. When we turn the heater down here, it also works. But it's 9 degrees out today. You know, we got the back seat out of it right now. We're going to put the back seat back in it, and we're going to put all the O2 sensors in it. So if you hear a little bit of an exhaust leak, that is why. But like I said, the car runs and drives. Turn signals work. Horn works. Power locks work. I mean, everything but the top works. And the top, all you have to do is unlock this one and that one, and you can actually lift the top up pretty easily. But like I said, you know, it's got a new starter on it. I mean, it runs and drives very decent. You know, it shifts and everything like it should. It's a little bit icy out. You can hear that exhaust leak right now. It's got one of the O2 sensors out of it, and shocks and stuff are a little bit loud. That's why it's priced to where it is. We'll get out and do a quick walk around here. You know, it's not quite the operating temp yet. Alrighty. Door panel's in decent shape. You know, the seat's not bad. I guess it does have one small little rip in it there. Center console and everything's in it. We actually have the covers and stuff for the rear speakers, but didn't have any in it when we bought it. And we're going to put the back seat back in it, like I said. It's got a brand new set of tires on it. They probably have, oh, I'd say, what does it have on it now? Probably 7 or 8 miles. I mean, they're knee deep. Still even have the nipples on them. Those are over $400. I just popped the hood. Show you guys the motor. Let's see here. And the only damage on the hood is back up there in that little corner. And you have some chips here. You got some chips there. A good fiberglass person can easily fix that up though. And there she blows. Good running 3.8 liter V6, and you could drive her home easily. Shut that. Front bumper's missing paint. You know, could use to be rehung. They put bolts in the front bumper too. We took the bolts out. We're gonna make a different mounting system for it, unless you can just find one at Pick and Pull. But I mean, it's got some scuffs and stuff in it. That's the biggest problem, I think. I mean, one of the most ridiculous things they did to it. And then the back window. Other than the back window, the top is actually in decent shape. I mean, it does. It purrs like a kitten. I really don't think for $1,300 you could beat it. You sure never find another one with brand new matching tires, and the transmission's just been gone through. like I said, let me know if you guys are interested in it.